Hello and welcome. Today we would like to talk about SSH access. If you have a hosting account, you'll want to access the terminal, maybe to manage a few things here and there. This feature is limited to the super admin and reseller users on DirectAdmin. However, for ordinary DirectAdmin user account holders, in order to access this feature, you need to raise a support ticket requesting access to the terminal, and it will be enabled for you. Kindly note that this feature does not come pre-activated or available to the customer. Once you set up your DirectAdmin account and purchase your hosting package, be informed that if you need this feature, raise a support ticket. You can also come to our live chat so that our technical experts are able to help you achieve your goal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.